now. What I say, you can't wine now. No, I can't bust. You only sweat me. I bust. I got bubble in that pot for 2 remins right now when me hungry. I only sweat that I sweat in that pot. Hungry. After me don't eat, yes.
Come here. Already, no hungry now.
Magnum here, man.
I saw she sleep, I saw she slide up. I make her push it inside up. Hey, what a girl can ride up. Hey, what a girl can ride up. I saw she sleep, I saw she slide up. I make her push it inside up. Wanna wicked ride up. Wanna wicked ride up. I saw she sleep, I saw she slide up. I make her push it inside up. Wanna wicked ride up. Wanna wicked ride up. Money nothing. Stick like a timer. Brace for the stick, watch a style, yeah. I bring it to me till you say you go online, yo. And when you think you bring it, come me phone line, yo. Yeah, you bless with the good time, yo. When you got
shot, what up, shot?
I saw she slip, I saw she slide, yo. And then they push it inside, yo. What a girl can ride, yo. What a girl can ride, yo. I saw she slip, I saw she slide, yo. And then they push it inside, yo. What a girl can ride, yo. She's back it out and she tick and she talk. You want to get it, girl, we call you. She can dance and sip on my coffee. Yeah, my God, till your party stop. Girl, you wet up the place when you pass the map. Take a space down, a girl can't do that. When you catch on, you're up on the top on a drop. Put you on the long time, you're done.
Yes!
She slide on. And then they push it inside, yo. What a girl can ride on. What a girl can ride on.
In Angola.
What a girl can ride on. What a girl can ride on.
Jesus. Me tip Marvin. Me tip Marvin can manage that. Me tip Marvin can manage that. Guys, thank you. Me tip Marvin can manage that.
Fucking mother art.
Our brands can't hold up. One shit about it keeps working even when wet.
Eh?
Me tip Marvin can manage that.
Manager.
That.
That one.
You see, I take up for a back. I buy one burger then.
Nice double shot, double. Use the double shot, double.
I buy one burger. Burger King. Me hungry for choke. God. Water burger did nice and I like water burger. Oh, for it there. Times 2, guys.
Double shot, double. Use the double shot, use the double. It's okay, man.
Now that's the sound of value. Bounty. The quicker picker up.
Chat, focus. There's somebody.
Thank you.
That's right.
I can't tap him, give her money or leave her alone. One thing you don't be one black.
Angle.
Victory hungry.
Slide.
Them a ban me at Jesus. Them a restrict my page. And they can't take it. They give restrictions. Keisha.
Anna Keisha that Bonnie.
How would that? Alia?
No, I'm a sister.
No, that's enough for una. Hi.
I just four.
Oh, 4. No, every time I look, you have a different friend or something.
Minimum wage.
Minimum. Guys, hold on. I buy one burger. Wait.
Oh, Bonnie gone. Oh, she gone.
Me I buy one burger, wait. Me I buy burger, wait.
I'm gonna wear now. Wait, stop dancing. I'm gonna wear tall.
No, yeah, that Jamaica we can't climb Aki tree me that far. I'm gonna keep me to TikTok, I'm gonna restrict my gifting.
Bonnie, where you going, Bonnie? Bonnie, where you going? Oh, should I get something for you? Chat, snap, no chat. I wanted that some of that for a screenshot. I wanted to save me off a screen. Chat, I wanted to save me off a screenshot. Snipe chat, take the save me off a screenshot. I want to see me properly, chat. Take it off a screen. Chat, take the save off a screenshot. Hold on, Bonnie.
Look on their front and see if it at least. You know, look before your skin will come.
Say she honey, she want me to fuck it out, crying. Skin it out like cat falling.
Woo!
Say you want it, so no matter with you.
Uncle, yeah. Uncle, something.
Oh, the mirror.
Uncle.
Skin it out, you know you pretend shy. You build up a sex drive, so you know for bed right. Skin it out like IVA and white. Fuck up on the bedside, you fucking me no fuck flesh light, but me fuck up your feel.
Well, I'm afraid of TikTok.
Your prettiness bright and then next style. Say she honey, she want me to fuck it up, granny. Skin it out like cat falling.
If you want it, so no bother with the running and balling. Skin it out.
Skin it out like cat falling. You're not really selling on the market. You skin it out right like one basket. Put it on your throat and you can't fart it. Remember say you like that chocolate. Me will be a heavy month like market. If you be my sunshine, darling, girl, your boom boom don't care cross it. Lips, tell them we can get it up on a stick. The most fun, I make a boy can't spot it.
Where you gone? TikTok a walking.
See? What do you mean by walking?
TikTok a walking. Chat, while I'm here, restart. Don't go nowhere.
After you was shake up. How much restriction she get? Let me see. After you compare your skin out, you ask TikTok what keep. Now you for tell TikTok what keep. Oh, they're gonna restrict me. I see if they restrict me, not somebody now. They want to come me gifting. Lami know no fat pussy, you know. Oh, Jesus. Oh, I'm gonna restart no TikTok, I'm gonna restrict my gifting. Vanny, stop it, Vanny. Speak in code. Lami don't got a fat glum de glue. Or something flat. Like flat meat. Can be tight, yes, but she got flat meat, you know? She don't got a... If she turn around, if she bend over back way enough. And this one look like she teeth piece. Let me I give you some on my front. You know, so you have a look at something, so. You know? Me see it, come and look. Come on, I like pum pum, I like. Look a clump. It's a girl like Lami now. It's either dark or something pink like this. Pink like my iPad. In between or something pink like this. I some other girl in between now no white like this. I don't know, it's just when it's a white, I mean infected white in the but no white. Before so I'd take pink bubble bath till a week where water. No, it red. May I tell you why your body all black, you see? You ever look in your body hole and like your beard or when you and your partner make love and your body hole black and your bro brown girl like how with black body hole. May I tell you why that happen? You see? You see when you no poo, you know, wipe on back door with tissue and that's it. Vanny, stop. No, if you use wipes after like when you wipe baby bottom, you have to use wipes and wipe your back door. Because the dry wipes not always do the job. And so when you go into add Lami, and so when you go beard, your body dry black and you can't get rid of the blackness. Because yeah. Tell her.
Money, watch your body. Hold on, I'm pull up on the song for you. Hold on.
The body all black or brown.
Come here, man. Come here. Much you
Not you reach out. Go and dance, come. Preach at the pussy.
Where can you feel break?
I'm not asking if fat come here. Why?
Watch it. What's she gone? Bricks, Bonnie, bricks. Bricks, Bonnie, bricks. Bricks, Phil. Hey. So, Bonnie, get the boat and chair, no, Bonnie. Glue them on it.
No. Listen.
Bonnie name Bossa Sweat. I'm me alone and sweat.
Listen, pause the music. Last night, me never did a dance. I talk. And TikTok restrict my page for 7 days if I not get gift. You see, when TikTok restrict Uno, and Uno can come back, them I restrict my gifting. My brother Jamaica, you can climb Aki tree. Entertain me. I'm alright. Pretend like alright, me play one game.
Alright, no.
Pretend like me a Marvin and a Marvin birthday. No, show me what
the style. That, baby. No. You know have him have. You know got it like him, baby.
You got like Marvin have cock. Right now, just say bigger Marvin. One of your body
more than cock.
Bigger than Marvin.
So what now?
My man would bigger than fear man would. You know my man
you wouldn't know that. You wouldn't know that, but me know that come.
You can tell when you see my man, you know him. You see how he look, you know.
No, baby, your man shorter than my man.
No.
My man taller. I tell you.
No, you're the Lulu.
No, baby, him taller. When last I see them together.
Maga man have a buzz. First see Marvin, I see your Marvin look like a thumper.
No. That's probably back then. But no, me I tell you about now.
Then your man could have a big in a game already. Where you with pan?
Because me I think about it, I'm not going to rush it.
And you're not virgin.
Good things.
Where you a virgin?
No,
you know, get pan nothing.
Good things take time. You gotta wait for something that's very good.
Me know you're not wait tonight. Me know that's your fuck.
Mercy!
I saw you going bad tonight, though.
Dealer.
I saw you bad tonight, not true.
Anywho.
I saw you bad tonight, not true.
Whoa! It's sweet, me.
It's not sweet yet. Jaden, a pair of things. I'm going to oogie Lami remove fire. Lami over here warm up.
So Lami have it, baby. Warm up from now, baby. Me I start the drinking from now for you, baby.
Alright, pumpkin.
Magnum tonic wine. One you want some?
I too long something them I beat it last night, I tired it. Me can't why me can't take them off?
How you do that?
Yeah, but I forgot black enough on my phone to no love thing.
Thank you, baby.
Jamie, just jump cheap and call it.
Marvin, my plantain, my right. No, not right.
Call
The
it,
green
yo.
one, the green odds. That one them here talk. The one when they go so, it nah shake, it just stand up. No matter how you shake it, just stand up. When you go so, you just go boom back for your answer. You know me I talk?
Him do that when him do that talk. When him do
You
it.
never do that.
Oh, you want him to do it? Them say junks. Them
Girl,
say
you
junks.
ask her if you never hold it and you go so and shake it and it just stand up and now move.
I don't have time for shake. I mean, I have time for what? Me just jump and sit down. I don't have my test this. Me look like cocky tester. Jaden!
When you get comfortable, you like to feel it out, you know?
Me don't have time I feel nothing, you know. Me don't have time I feel nothing. Me just get to the work. But Jaden come and say,
As you say, good things take time and you have to warm it up.
Jake Shatter. Like,
Let's talk about your mother. Come look hey. Me hate just the
go
blood
to your
clot.
eh?
And my sister alone could have tell you that. Me no know. June Rosalie can come tell you. Me no know about it, baby. But June will definitely come tell
Well,
you.
I'm going to say comment section ever everybody to the story.
Chat, part up, chat,
Little
part
Lami,
up,
I'm
chat.
there. No. Sorry about that. I me slip and read that. Sorry about that. Listen, I Jen. So let me talk truth with God love. You know, buy the lingerie. Me not tell you to buy the lingerie for put on the show. You know, buy lingerie for
I get
drinks.
one lingerie. Whenever I think about that.
You put on the lingerie, girl, and put on the song and go over the
Nothing about
bonus
the fuck
birthday.
say. The sexy naturally, I think we really need a lingerie, but
No, lingerie is the costume.
yeah, me can wrap it up in a like one gift bow or something like that. One of them nice wrapping there, body wrapping. Yeah, that is so bad at all.
What else you going to do?
But now I tell you, girl, what you want to know my business?
I like.
You want
Guys,
to
what
know
you call? No, it's not your business. I'm a type of, I like anything that to talk about those things. What you call people like them, the guys? Like, they just always want to talk about things like that.
Things like what?
I don't know you call people like that, you know.
So funny, right? I might ask you a question, baby.
Yes.
No, I'm not about to ask.
Ask me. I have the answer for you.
It's too personal.
No, go, ask.
No, because I'm here I say your man own bigger than mine. Someone asks how much how tall you think your man own be like the inch.
Yeah, where you want to take me to my spot? You see, Uno, I'm tell you something. You can't get my man, you know. Because if you think you're going to let Marvin come to my man, treat him of a longer standing, you make us sad. You're messing with the wrong.
No, baby, this is not an end.
Messing with the wrong
my
bitch.
pony is not an end pony. I'm just
You're messing
asking.
with the wrong bitch.
I'm just asking. This is not an end pony. This pony don't go from friends to friends. I don't do that shit.
No, but you and your man don't do anything yet, so you will slip. You will drop him for my one. No. You messing with the wrong. I can't. No, listen. You see?
Me and my man not sleep. Worse like how I'm get it yet. You mad?
Listen.
Crazy.
You see?
You have at least tried first.
You see, if my man was a person who boy like me now. But you see me more for come tell him my business more than him would tell your film business. Him like certain things private. So I can't answer that question for you. Ask me how long my son is, me can tell you. Or how short it is, or how fat it is, me can tell you.
It's not how fat it is. Mama see?
But for him, we can't speak for him. Very
Never
fact.
mind.
My love, very fact.
Never mind. I don't like girls again. Me get over it.
I don't like girls now that come in and suck till me get back.
But sometimes I think about it.
I think every girl like girls. Then just not see right girl where they like. Me feel like every girl like girl because a girl will kiss a girl and you can't kiss one girl and a lesbian no. Literally, you can't have one party or dance, you can't kiss a girl on her lip. Me have one best friend and me and her kiss on lip all the while.
Wow.
No suck out tongue but we kiss on lip, but that don't mean say you're a lesbian. You have some people will love you know, you have some friends will love you know, then kiss all on lip, then hug up, then go party, then rub up and dance up on each other.
You want to say that kiss my lip too? Because I'm a girl.
But me ain't that close. Me not judge people. Me not judge people. But if me ever become friend in a real, me I have a friend, you know, but if me ever get to know you more in a real life and know the real you off of social media, and you're a real true person, yeah. Yeah, let me treat my friend, them in a call my friend, them and thing, you know. Chrissy! But me say you try get through your one. Oh, so Teresa, me try look for your man now. You know, go work, baby. Let me tell you something. Pipe down how? Let me tell you something. I don't do these sums. So if you're trying to get to kiss me now, cause you are gonna know so you goes, you're gonna name for your man now. So all a water juice they're gonna pan for your lips. So you want to come send it off now, pan for me lip now, and then you want to come bring sums to me. No, ma'am.
Oh, you like them thing that too? You never say never do that yet. You never
I am all for Javi. If I ever do what?
some.
Yeah, but not with man. One man and woman. I'ma make sure I'ma go first. Cause no girl now go boom and me boom after. Me now boom after panel over left. Me go first. Me take first. And then I get up and them go after and I leave. I say go. What can I ask you a question?
Yes, you can.
Are you gonna be honest?
Yes.
What is your fantasy?
I remember my asked you a while ago.
Oh, that. Hey.
Triple chat. Who use a triple man side? Triple chat.
Lord God, Chrissy, thank you, my love, spicy. Guys, go for the sanctuary. Quick cook, you threw me away.
I'm gonna take my answer. J Beauty, thank you, baby. I don't know, I ever think about it, but then me and say,
and I'm back and still got the every boy, and I did problem.
I think about it sometimes, but then me and say, no one go deal with the wrong person. The bag of Alaba Luca. I regularly hear about them seeing the and it always don't end well. I mean, no one in the end well for me, so I'm not really touch them part of the scenario there.
Yeah, mine never really end so well. I'm not gonna ask Enas. Anyways, listen. Go and do it with one of your friends them where you trust. One girl and she have taste for your man.
So funny, because remember I it's not really an internet. I recently in the media thing. But I never hear about you in a sense. One time I don't hear about Mama say what Cartel son?
What you talk about?
No, the end of catch me is the end of I catch me, I try to catch up because my mom don't really know.
What she talk about? She say comments me I read. What you talk about?
Oh, a comment I read.
You know, see, I Jaden at the comment, I'm reading Jaden say.
RX. Oh, Sheba son, not Cartel. Chat, put up, chat.
Sister, not try hard to make Javi left me, and I go work, you know.
Right to the staff, I don't comment on
I'm gonna make sure I call him to say now what you live.
Because oh.
I'm gonna make sure I call him.
I never know. Anyway, chat. Put up.
Hi, my love. Ooh, you look good. Okay, I text him. I'll call back. Oh, now what you love? Ooh, him look good. Let me forget near me wood before near me. So I really in a plan for near my front. It good enough. A good mate. We can go to the doctor together. I promise you.
You want to eat it?
Him did shot me, never shot the boy him for shot me. I'm going doctor and take care of him. So why you don't want to eat me?
Tell me why you don't want to eat me.
My friend to bring luck. You know, see how me lucky in a life. Nothing can do me. You see me, I God bless.
Giovanni, I kiss him after him do it?
Them are crumbs that change your life forever.
Giovanni?
Eh?
I kiss him after him do it? Same time after him do it?
Why shouldn't I kiss it? Then that means there's something I gotta do it then because I'm myself. More that's gone.
Oh no, I'm just like us. Everybody
what is the freakiest thing a boy ever do to you?
Let me leave it at that.
Eh? Answer a question, man. Answer a question, man. I never get nothing done before.
One of my sugar daddy them did eat up my whereabouts. Sugar daddy, never look that serious. We never did, you know, the Susu Kanimoto and thing, you know.
Oh, God. See me eat it about you. Oh, you can't tell me you don't touch around there. I'm telling you, it's perfect.
No, baby. No, baby. No, baby. It's not like that. It's not like that. He was doing it and his tongue catching it and I felt it and I told him to stop same time. My vibes broke same time.
But you tell me same eat it.
It's so I'm stop talking about that. No, you're asking freakers and that freakers me ever the freakers me ever get and just it. From that that's why I don't even like man to do them something there. Because ain't no way remember say the bottom they so close to it, you know. You get me I say when them do it and you get me I say the kissing and all that.
So would you do if your man allow you to do it to him, would you do it to him?
What?
You do it?
No, me not do it and me don't want him to do it, alright. Chat. What for one, chat? What for one?
MVP, thank you, Chrissy, my love, keeping up, Terry, Nikki, thank you.
Funny.
Eh?
What the freakiest thing I'm not ever done to you? All of my toppers and my gifters, thank you, my babies. Alicia J Beauty, baby. Sub Miss Girl, Black Queen, Mash.
When me do or what him do?
Man Munchkins. You say?
When me do him or what him do me?
You want the freakiest thing? You know. What the freakiest thing?
Chrissy, thank you.
First triple chat.
What the freakiest thing me ever do?
First triple chat. What the freakiest thing you ever done?
Me?
First double chat. First double.
Freakiest.
All of the gifting gets suspended on it, baby. J Beauty, thank you, baby. Chat, we can't help out J Beauty. Him alone cannot do it, you know. She alone cannot do it, man.
One time me did junk, you know.
Help out my side, we can't help out.
Me don't know, me probably spit it out one boy mouth or something like that. Me never knew back door before. Me never touched nobody back door. Kissing them something like that. I freakiest me ever do. Me spit it out somebody mouth already. You see, me can't reason with someone because someone is young. Remember, you know, if you can French kissing a boyfriend, French kissing is a part of a tongue play. When people are French kiss, on a French kiss for long.
If you don't want to hear about this,
when people are French kiss for long, the two on the tongue are rub off in each other mouth and you draw film tongue a bite on him at the same saliva the two on or swallow. I same thing.
But for those
if somebody spit in your mouth or you spit back in somebody's mouth.
Because one and gentleman goes
nobody now go act to you just me can't know if explain
but hear about that. That's the only thing me think. That's the only that is the only place to mind about. I don't know.
You're rough, so you're gonna look on it rough. Why do it so rough? Girl, when I am doing blowjob, I don't even act to. I'm too stush for that. I do like this. That's what I do. I don't know what you're talking about. Up to. I only when me have cold and cough and cold up on my
You
chest.
say you do it? Oh, you say
I
you do
go
it?
outside, go arc and to and pit out cold.
Chat,
I don't
you
do
can
them
push up
things
the
in the
score, chat.
bedroom. Me.
You can push up the score.
I don't
So,
do that.
what the freakiest thing a man ever did to you?
Eat my back door.
So, how you did feel? You like it? Did I do it again?
No.
Yeah, me too. Me and you, girl.
No, it nice, but it not nice for do for
No,
long.
it's
Cause
nice and
it give
comfortable
you
and
one
it's
tangle feeling
ticklish.
like it give you one tangle feeling like you go fart. You know one fart in a somebody.
Chat, Snapchat. You can focus on Snapchat, please. Chat, you can focus on Snapchat.
Mappy take you chatting, you are feeling like you that do
Yeah,
something weird. You know, one, it's not that you're a nasty person and you're going to do it. It make you feel like you're going to do it and you don't want to risk yourself to go eventually slip and do something.
So, mother, hold on. What do you mean by about Marvin to the Moko go sick? We are talking about the past, bitches. And my man say it and then I want him say it again. He doesn't give a fuck about the past. I want to come to take my man, as Vanny say. And I come take my man, baby. You're not uncomfortable, baby. Uncomfortable, baby? Sandy! My man ain't uncomfortable. What's your problem? I'm me, my fucking, and you know? I'm me and him, baby, no, not me, him and you. That is his business, baby, not yours. And if he was uncomfortable, see my phone right there, so he would have called my phone and just say, B, let go them argument there for the live. You hear me? I tell you, real. Yeah, I'm not afraid for call my phone and tell me whatever. So please, cut it, baby. And if you don't want to hear this type of conversation, if you're a PG-13, you there's the X button right there. Shandy, baby. There's an X button right there where you can kindly, not disrespectfully, kindly, respectfully, you can go, okay, baby, thank you and have a great night. Kisses. Shandy, thank you, baby. Thank you. Right now, I'm not really, kind of. But anyways, Vani, what were we saying? Shandy, thank you, baby. Bumba the magnum done. One more. I go buy a magnum and come back. All of my tappers and my gifters, everybody was saying lamination, big up on the set.
Me have to
Shandy,
guys,
baby,
thank
welcome to
you.
lamination.
Guys, me have to 1 minute, Lami, me have to mute you 1 minute. Guys, me have to street smart, you know. Hear this man call me, but did you get your water burger? So I said, no, I don't know. I said, you deliver it? The lady said she delivered it, you're outside. So I say, you outside? And say, no, I'm on the phone with the other ladies on the other call, but I think she said she leave it there. Why you think me I go pull my door, go out there? You want to feel like you want to rob me, kidnap me? So me look through my window, me say, me not see nothing out there. And tell him my address and say, isn't that where you live? So me say, yeah, but I don't see anything and I'm right there. Chrissy, thank you. Then him say, him I go call her back. Me not pull no door go out there and me not see nothing. It just sound too suspicious. So me say to him, say, okay, if you can send me rightful address and she leave it, where's the picture? Cause she gotta take a picture, bro. Where's the picture that she left it there? Me not go out there. Yeah, man. Next thing, contact me and kidnap me, polish me to them red, and tell me if it's some poem. Huh? I watch too much show tonight. I watch too many show. I watch too many show to get caught, you know. I don't. Hey, you can't cut me that easy. Oh, there's a car now pulling up. Let's see if she's going to do something with my food. Hi.
I'm sorry.
No, you're good. Thank you. You went different address?
Yes. We got the
Other way. It's okay. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. Oh, now it makes sense. Look like she had to call because she speaks Spanish. Look like she's Spanish or something. Oh, you mean?
If you do that, you even show her face? She cute though, man, not lie. She's very thin. Okay. Tune, chat, music.
Like you do her a while ago.
Can you find? Me put you in the latest, me in my crib. Shandy!
Bro, why the fuck is this like this? Aren't it supposed to be like this? Why the fuck it's like that? Bro, I told him a paranoid. Me not drink, you know. Cause I hate Zaggy way hard in Atlanta, you know. Then again, you have to say, the drinks that wet up the top part still. Why am I paranoid? The amount of thing we see on TikTok, what people do. Anything that they try to put into this drink or in my food, I will send it back to the sender. Cover me under your blood while I eat this food. God and protect me in your son. Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Alright.
You deserve anything you want, princess. You get no bag. Bring your change and to life. Bring it tight to me. You bring it tight to me. And you deserve what a pretty darling girl, your body full of care. Regular with couple girl and you get on my nerves. Love it in the last day, love it for the first. Feeling up, I'm rich in that. Fuck a bitch in a place, you will start from bed. Post the girl so you walk on turf. Anything you say you want, you want.
Louis, drink some. We are go down together. We shall go down together. Drink some. Tasty. Tasty, no? Alright then. If I see 2 minutes, you're drop something, alright. Go down together now. Go down alone. Yeah, go down in this backside, alright.
Richer, me say it every time. Spend the money upon you. Go do me ear and my nails, cause me nice. No girl can't hotter than me outside. Yeah, all of me ear. No come.
I'm happy to have a field day with them the birthday.
All of me no come. The hottest bitch you ever fuck with. All of me natural ear. Hear me song, hold on.
I'm representing for DJ now, fuck who now, fuck for rain. In my car tonight, my part the night. She said it's the young child like half a pipe. Underwater, make a kiss synchronize. You never know me a teacher, prototype. But the girl, I'm here hot up the place, catch the pop. Girl, I climb on the window and just have the steel and the panty and the machine to take off. Becky bounce the trampoline, she say you can't finger me down the clean. No play hard when you're around the clean. I could go die down, my send the sheet. You're time call, you want me use up my right arm, left hand. But you not touch no front like Tessa. Come here real bad man like Kesha. Brown photo, no yam photo.
The baddest bitch you ever fuck with. The baddest!
She said to pull up 20 foot. She's playing, she couldn't even look. Come rock my hood, come rock my foot. Bring back the girl, I'm here hot up the place, catch the pepper. Get a climb from the window, and kiss on the steel and the panty and the...
Steamy, no man! My heart! Not the perfect song for this.
She said I worry me and the people she want the hot fucker, so...
No song then. Right now the place, steamy, no. Perfect song for this. Oh, mighty God. Made the perfect song for that eat, yeah. Yeah. Who can can't tell me what the perfect song for that beat, yeah.
If you gonna make Lami teach me if you dance. Lami can dance your fuck.
Girl, I can't do nothing, girl. Stop telling a problem.
Lami can whine your fuck.
Stop telling lies. Why are you doing that?
Lami can reverse whine your fuck.
You're lying.
You know some girl that whine and then just look stiff it now floor.
See that?
Girl wanna floor.
Bumbleclot now.
See, you.
Look your please come. I know my man are watching live. I know my man are watching live, but you're not taking the spot of the extra.
Sit down. Like here right there, sit down. Turn up the steam, we now go turn it up.
What is for me? Why am me tonight? What is for me?
See. Sit down. Like here right there, sit down.
Sit down.
The steam, we now go turn it up. Yeah, talk shit, kick off a shirt, but we fast.
Damn!
That's it.
Damn!
Why? Why the blood clot this?
You let that one be. One year time now, I'm tired.
No. Wait. I got for my shoes. Wait.
Chop, but his name Buster Sweat. Buster Sweat.
I got that. Wait.
Yeah, dead. Bumper. Yeah, dead. Woo! Woo! Run away there, your time. I your time no funny. I'm tired, me are dead. Woo! Water, mommy, I will do with the water. You know that big mother could be on water for me. Jesus Christ. More water. Me are dead. Bumbo for real, chat. I feel like my chest are tight. Woo! My chest. Yeah. Bumbo clot. Woo! Fucking hell. Mommy, I want the water there. Jesus Christ. Chat, come here, jam break, chat. Come here, jam break. Because I know I'm begging look water.
Girl, sit down if you like, it's a tease. So your man cocky better 9 she a kid. Then you too tight, it's a piece. You walk and bite like it a squeeze. Rock your body and she left for me a piece. With the two pussy down, them a fight with the cheese. Girl, them done. Girl, them done.
I think we're ready now. Hold on. Me have a fight to get in. Lucky do a one night to get in. Girl, so that if you like it to see if a man body nigga 9 nights to get keep. Yeah, the water reaches. Whoa, hit them reach. What? See that? See that? Woo! Bumbleclad! Vanya, your song this, Vanya. Bumbleclad! Hold on, chat. Hold on. We'll play that one of Vanya first. Chat, triple. Triple, guys. Rich motherfucker. Hey! Yes, I have put a man inside that show! Rich motherfucker from your lift that go, hey! Man, you know that song there?
You're a young girl, man. You're a young girl.
All of us have gift us. Thank you, baby. I want to come with that dead. Sorry, I got to thank you. Shandy, thank you so much, my baby. Then. Everybody listen to that. Thank you so much. I love you so much, my babies. I chewed up feel like me that kind of a while ago. Me never take one breather. But I love you so much. Thank you so much. I love you guys.
Let me play one song, you know.
Hold on. Don't go away.
No, this a walk.
Woo! I wonder if I eat this. Chat snipe.
Ali!
I eat this.
Ali, thank you. Thank you, my love. I appreciate you. Thank you.
What's what I done? Green light steam. What's what I done? Green light steam. Stop. Look, I come in and come. Hi, be my baby. Hi, be my baby. Hi, be my baby. Hi, be my baby. I'm going to talk about rice and no way. Don't make my body put so long on it.
Hey. Chat,
I love that song, Gracie.
Chat, two Anna.
Thank you. One Hardy.
Two Anna.
Hardy with a bang.
Two Anna. Hey, double chat. Double.